I seek refuge in Allah Ta'ala from Satan the accursed with the name of Allah, the compassionate and merciful. If Allah wills, what Allah wills, peace be upon all the holy prophets. There is a tendency among the Christians to make wrong translation of the Holy Quran just in order to defeat the Muslims in arguments. But using wrong translations in arguments results in a temporary victory. It cannot result in a permanent victory. It will be just like a cricket match, losing on Sunday and winning on Monday, and again losing on Tuesday and winning on Wednesday. There is no sense of that sort of victory in matters of religion. So it so happened that one Facebook group, Islam and Christianity, the points of tension. The admin, an Arab Christian, Habib Jamil Khoury, he has given the following translation: Thou shalt rape, marry, and divorce prepubescent girls. Now, the word rape is nowhere present in this verse, chapter 65, verse number 4. Chapter is on the divorce. There is no mention of rape. The translation, if you see in the Holy Quran, it will be, and those who no longer expect menstruation among your women, then their period is 3 months, and also for those who have not menstruated. So there is no mention of rape. In another chapter, the women, Surah Nisa, uh, chapter number 4, verse number 6, it is written that when orphans reach the marriageable age, so there is a concept of marriageable age. So if you say small girls who are 8 or 9 years old, they are of marriageable age, then they are not. That is not a marriageable age, and it is wrong to assume that at this age Hazrat Aisha was given in marriage to the Holy Prophet ﷺ. No such thing happened, and I request the Christians to try to reach the truth. That is the real success. It is no sense. You will not go to the garden just by defeating the Muslims in arguments, but you'll have to be truthful yourself. So find out what mistakes Islam has, and the mistakes, if you want to find about Islam, it has to be in the Holy Quran. And the rest of the books are not the basic material of Islam. The basic material is the Holy Quran, which is intact today as it was revealed 1400 years ago. So, in the light of this Holy Quran, we study the Hadith books of Hadith, and whatever tallies with the Quran, that is most acceptable to us. And what does not tally according to the Quran, then the Holy Quran will prevail. So, with this point, I invite the Christians to come and discuss about Islam and find their own pleasure in searching the truth. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen.